Let's set the lower thread. First, turn the main power switch off. Raise the needle by turning the hand wheel toward you and raise the presser foot lever. Remove the flatbed attachment and open the shuttle cover towards you. Fully open the bobbin case latch and remove the bobbin case from the machine. Put the bobbin into the bobbin case so that the thread is wound clockwise. Pass the thread through the slit under the tension spring. Unwind about 10 centimeters of thread from the bobbin. Open the bobbin case latch completely and fully insert the bobbin case with the bobbin case finger turning upward. Make sure that the bobbin case finger fits into the notch at the top of the shuttle race. Replace the shuttle cover and attach the flatbed attachment. Now you've completed the setting of the lower thread.